And the opposition People's National Party is calling for a transparent and independent investigation into Sunday's fatal police shooting of a woman in St. James. Opposition spokesperson on national security Fitz Jackson says while the interdiction of the officer involved is a necessary first step, it's not enough to repair what he describes as a growing breakdown in trust between citizens and the police.
Why does Jamaica deserve the truth? We cannot keep losing citizens during interactions with the law enforcement officers who are paid to protect them and all of us Jamaicans. Regrettably, too many innocent and law-abiding citizens are becoming almost as fearful of the police as they are of criminals. This cannot be allowed to continue in our country.
He's urging the police to take all necessary action to ensure calm in the area.
I urge the JCF leadership to immediately deploy community relations teams to Granville to de-escalate tensions and reassure residents who are rightfully on edge and is fearful of their lives.